In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Slack bot to your workspace. If you've ever wanted to improve your productivity or streamline communication within your team, adding a Slack bot can be a fantastic way to achieve that. Now let's dive into the process and guide you through each step to get your bot up and running smoothly. First things first, you need to open your Slack workspace. Make sure you are logged into the correct account that you want the bot to function within. Your Slack workspace is where all your channels and communications happen, so getting started there is essential. Once you're in, look at the sidebar on the left. You'll find a section called Apps. Click on it, and it will lead you to the next step in our process. Now that you're in the Apps section, your next move is to select either Add Apps or Browse Apps. Both options work, but they might look slightly different depending on your workspace version. By clicking these, you'll be taken to Slack's app directory, a treasure trove of productivity tools and bots that can help automate and enhance your Slack experience. Once you reach the app directory, it's time to search for the bot or app you want to add. Maybe you already have a specific bot in mind, or perhaps you want to explore and see what's available. Use the search bar to type in the name of the bot, or just a relevant keyword related to your needs. Slack offers a variety of bots that serve different purposes, from project management and scheduling to integrating other tools you already use. After finding the bot you're interested in, click on its app page to learn more about it. The app page provides detailed information about what the bot does, user reviews, and any prerequisites it might have. This can help you understand if it's the right fit for your workspace needs. When you're ready to proceed, find and click the Add to Slack button. This step is crucial as it's where you'll initiate the bot's integration with your workspace. However, before the integration is finalized, you must review the permissions the bot is requesting. These permissions often include access to certain channels, the ability to send messages, or integration with other features within Slack. It's essential to review these carefully to ensure the bot meets your security and privacy standards. Once you're satisfied with the permissions, click Allow to authorize the bot. If prompted, you might also need to select the specific channel where you want the bot to function. This allows you to control the bot's activity and ensure it's actively working where you need it most. Keep in mind that the installation process can vary slightly depending on the app's specifications and the permissions of your workspace. So, it's always good to double-check any specific instructions or requirements that the app might have. And there you have it. You've just added a Slack bot to your workspace. It's a quick and straightforward process, but adopting these tools can make a huge difference in your team's efficiency and collaboration. Thank you for watching, and happy Slacking!